Wind reduces visibility on Kansas roads due to dust storms. The Kansas Department of Transportation says several highways are closed. I-70 is blocked in both directions from the Colorado state line to Salina due to poor visibility and traffic blocking accidents. 107 miles per hour wind gust was recorded in Lamara, Colorado in the morning. Several power outages are already reported across the state. Strong winds, dust storms and high temperatures hit much of the Midwest. Life-threatening weather conditions, including high winds with high tornado threats and record temperatures, swept across the region from Mexico to the Canadian border. Colorado, Iowa, Kansas, and Nebraska had high winds and dust storms, according to the National Weather Service. Gusts of wind over 60 miles per hour are possible from New Mexico to Michigan. Severely dangerous high winds in Nebraska, expected to reach 70 miles per hour, prompted many schools to cancel classes or switch to online learning during the day. Companies also adjusted opening hours or closed in anticipation of a storm. In Colorado, wind gusts reached 95 miles per hour in the foothills, and local authorities also warned drivers not to travel unnecessarily.